Hey folks, Steve Piscatelli here. We're going to talk about game film today. You know, athletes have game film. They're scouting the opponents, but they're also looking at their actions, how well they performed and where they need to do some tweaking, some adjustments. And I think it's the same for us. Do we have game film? Do we take time to reflect on what we're doing after we've done it? Because if we do it while we're doing it, sometimes we get distracted by the doing. So let's create our own game film. And I got a handful of strategies we can all use as our menu to pick from. Use one, use them all. First, how about video? If you've got one of these, you got a video camera. Or I've got a small one on a tripod right now looking right at me. You take the video, you then sit down and you watch what you did and how you did it. You make some adjustments, you make some critiques of what you're doing. How about audio recording? Again, if you have one of these, you probably have a voice recorder. Record yourself. Listen to yourself in the car, in the gym, sitting in a quiet spot in your home. And you can hear what you sound like, what you've done well, and again, where you might need to make some adjustments. Don't forget your mentor or your mentors. People who can sit down and give you considered feedback. Maybe they've observed you doing something. Maybe they've read something of yours, but they're giving you feedback. That's your game film. They're helping you create an awareness. Attached to that or close to that, akin to that, accountability partners. These are people who maybe they're not mentors, but they're going to hold you accountable to do a particular action. I got a colleague, and I love this acronym. He says he has some knobs, N-O-B-S, and he calls them his no BS friends. These are the friends he's given permission to hold him accountable to make sure he is moving in the right direction. I just love that. Knobs. How about a clearness committee in the Quaker tradition, where you sit down with people and what you're doing, let's say it's in your workplace, it's not for people to sit around a table and say, you know, this is what I would do, this is how I do it. No, they're asking questions. They're getting you to clarify, develop, create a clearness in your own thinking, in your own heart about your path and your direction, and then make some adjustments from there. Don't forget journaling. Taking time to write. My journaling is my blogging. That's a big piece of it. But you write, and then you reflect on what you have written. Start questioning your own stories. And then finally, we all have an e-trail, don't we? We have emails, we have social media posts, we have our own videos out there. Take time and look at your archives. Look at what you said. Look at what you posted. Are you happy with that? Have you had a change of heart? Did you respond or did you react? There's a great story I'll leave you with by Harry Truman, or about Harry Truman. And supposedly, when he wrote a letter, especially if he was hot about something, he'd write the letter and then he'd put it in a desk drawer. He'd come back 3 days later, pull out the letter, read it, make sure it was exactly really what he wanted to say and he wasn't speaking from anger. And then he'd either send it or not send it. So there you have it, a handful of ideas and strategies to create your own game film. It helps you create awareness. It helps you start questioning assumptions about why you do what you do. And then it helps you chart appropriate future action. Your movement to improvement. Folks, check my blog out on WordPress. Go to stevepiscatelli.com for more resources. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day. Remember to choose well, live well, and be well. Bye-bye, folks.